Farming is always evolving. So does our tool. Introducing the XAG P150 Max, an agricultural drone built to push efficiency even further. Leading performance, top intelligence, and proven reliability. Engineered to tackle the most challenging demand in the field. Robust design gives the P150 Max its edge. High-performance 63-inch propellers deliver powerful lift. Payload capacity reaches up to 80 kilograms. Big drone, yet easy to transport. Foldable arms and propellers make packing simple. Swap task systems in seconds for any operation. From one field to the next, you're always ready. Precision spraying reaches new heights with the 5th generation Revo spray system. A maximum 80-liter tank tackles demanding jobs. A flight speed of up to 20 meters per second brings unmatched efficiency. Dual impeller pumps deliver a steady flow of up to 32 liters per minute. For orchards and high-volume applications, upgrade to 4 nozzles for a maximum flow rate of 46 liters per minute. Adjust droplet size from 60 to 500 microns with the intelligent centrifugal nozzles. Maximize coverage and minimize chemical waste. 4 rotors create a powerful downdraft, driving spray deep into dense canopies. Both sides of every leaf are covered at every pass. Unlock the next generation of spreading with the RevoCast system. Load up the 115-liter container with seeds, fertilizers, and more. With a spread rate of 300 kilograms per minute, you cover more ground with fewer stops. Precision screw feeders handle a wide range of materials, from powders to seeds up to 10 millimeters. Vertical waving broadcast mechanism ensures every delivery is precise and even across fields. Need a faster, safer way to handle field logistics? Attach the RevoSling module. Carry up to 80 kilograms of farm inputs, produce, and more through orchards, upslopes, in between your fields. Smart Hook release the cargo precisely where you want it. Field mapping is now built in. The P150 Max executes autonomous flights and captures high-definition images, even on rugged terrain. Images are instantly stitched into detailed field maps. Onboard AI will automatically highlight obstacles like power poles and wires. One flight can cover up to 20 hectares of field. Your maps are ready after landing. No network required. Efficiency never sacrifices safety. Powered by the XAG SuperX5 Ultra Intelligent Control System, the P150 Max delivers fully autonomous flight for precise, reliable missions every time. 4D imaging radar and a camera detect obstacles, keeping the drone clear from pedestrians, pivots, and power poles. A wide-angle HD FPV camera provides a real-time view for safer navigation day and night. Take command in the way that fits your farm. Launch autonomous missions with the XAG One App. The SRC5 Smart Remote Controller stands out with a bright 7-inch touchscreen, ergonomic grip, and advanced X-Link transmission. Experience real-time, high-definition FPV video feed up to 2 kilometers. The FPV display overlays AR recognition, so operators can easily see obstacles and stay in control. For absolute precision, activate satellite-based PPP-AR mode to achieve centimeter-level accuracy anytime, with no need for external networks or ground stations. Looking for the ultimate positioning tool? The XRT-K7 mobile station serves as both RTK base and point marker for plug-and-play operation. Whether working online, in low signal areas, or completely offline, The XRTK7 delivers seamless centimeter-level positioning for fully autonomous flight. Setup is simple and fast to keep your workflow accurate, connected, and stress-free. Every minute in the field counts. XAG's smart supercharged battery can be refilled in 7 minutes when 2 chargers are used in parallel. A mist cooling system lets you recharge right after landing and take off right after charging. Even in the hottest summer, just 2 battery sets can keep operation continuous. Furthermore, the P150 Max can even fly with only 1 battery for smaller scale operations. Smart, efficient, and always reliable. Evolve with the XAG P150 Max.